Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And if you just watched the last video, we gave you a little bit of the background of how At Home with Dementia came to be. And it's based really upon Aunt Jerry. That's my husband's aunt who was diagnosed with dementia about 6 years ago. And as of right now, she's still doing fantastic. She's still in her home. And while she may not drive, she gets driven places. And while she may not cook, her meals are delivered. And everything that we have had to make adjustments for, we really made them as positive as possible so that she didn't mind all these new changes. So, why should you join At Home with Dementia? That's the question we're answering. And it's very simple. Dementia is a very long journey, it can last 10 to 20 years. So, when your loved one is diagnosed with dementia, the mild stages in the beginning are so important for creating habits and implementing anything that you will want your loved one to do down the road. It really, really matters. It's the time where you can get their financial data and passwords and account numbers. It's the time where you can find out where they keep things and what they like and what they don't like. So, we really want to walk you through mild to moderate dementia. And if you join At Home with Dementia, it will cost you $99 one time. No annual fees, no monthly fees, not something 10 years from now you look at your credit card bill and you're wondering, what is this charge? One time, $99. And we think it might be the best $99 you spend as a caregiver because the solutions and the ideas and the community of caregivers we can provide you will help you reach your goal. And we're pretty sure we know what your goal is because your goal most likely is our goal. And that goal is to make sure you can extend your loved one's quality of life without sacrificing your own. So check out athomewithdementia.com. Check out our YouTube videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out the video shorts. Also, you can find us on TikTok and Instagram at Home with Dementia. And thanks for watching.